Understanding Service Outage, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical and increasingly relevant phrase in the English language, service outage. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some real-world examples. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of this phrase. Service outage refers to a situation where a service, usually provided by a company or organization, is temporarily unavailable or not working. This could be due to technical problems, maintenance, or external factors. The word outage specifically indicates a disruption or interruption in service. Service. This part of the phrase represents any type of service provided, like internet, electricity, or public transportation. Outage. This term is key. It specifically means an interruption or stoppage. It does not imply a permanent stop but a temporary one. 1. Internet service outage. When your home Wi-Fi stops working unexpectedly. 2. Electricity outage. When there's a power cut, and the lights go off. 3. Transportation outage. When trains or buses are not running due to technical issues. There's a service outage in our area, so I can't access the internet. The company apologized for the unexpected service outage last night. And that's a wrap on service outage. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so don't hesitate to use service outage next time you encounter one. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.